We are making magic today, and I'm excited. So I went on a Halloween fall decor hunt a couple of weeks ago. If you were following me on my Instagram, you would have seen that I found basically nothing. There was Christmas stuff out before there was fall stuff out. Like, what? We just skipped a few chapters? What the heck? I was on the hunt for this specific item, which is a moon wreath by Michael's craft store. It was sold out everywhere. It was sold out online. It was sold out at 3 of the stores that we visited. So we're gonna make it. And it also sparked some inspiration for 2 other DIYs that go along with it. So let's get into it. We are starting with the magical moon wreath, and here's all the materials. I have different types of florals here. It's a mix of dry flowers, fake flowers, butterflies for embellishments, moss. Isn't this cute? It's blue. And then some chain to hang your crystals and jump rings, different types of jewelry pliers, some paint, hot glue gun. And of course, don't forget your grapevine wreath. And I ended up using garden shears for this. They are easier on the hand and cut through thicker branches a lot better. So you're going to want to start cutting your branches in the center of the wreath. This is going to be the opening to your crescent moon shape. This will be, obviously, I think the most time-consuming part. It was a little longer for me because I wasn't using the right tools. So make sure you're using some really good garden shears for this. I ended up having to call in some reinforcements. Might need a saw for this.
You need a saw.
This thick one right here.
Where do you want to cut? Oh, you were chipping at it.
Now we're going to shape the wreath. So at the opening, you're going to give the branches a curved cut on the inside. This will give your wreath that crescent moon look. It's a very trust the process type of moment. Okay, so now we're just gonna hot glue the moss. So now what we are doing is basically just a layering process. I'm going to be adding the moss, and then I'm going to be painting on top of the moss. I want it to match the flowers that I'll be adding in later. This part is optional, of course. You don't have to do this. But once you're done adding the moss, you can start with your embellishments like flowers, butterflies, crystals, anything you like. Okay, time for a quick tip on this part. When you are working with your florals and embellishments, always lay everything down first to get an idea of what it would look like. Don't glue anything down until you are absolutely sure you love the design. If not, you are always free to move things around without ruining the wreath. Then once you're sure you love the design that you created, then you could start hot gluing everything in place. All leaves and floral, everything is hot glued on. Now we're going to add some color. I'm a little skeptical, not sure how this is gonna come out, but I think moss is so cute. Especially when it's in the forest on trees. Does anybody else feel the same? So I went ahead and added my embellishments after because this wreath is so floral heavy. My wreath really needed some color, and since I kept it a pretty neutral base, I was a little nervous about adding some blue and green embellishments because I wasn't sure how it would look or match, but in the end, I absolutely love the outcome and I think it looks beautiful. Now I'm going to glue everything down with my hot glue gun. Okay, now it's time to add crystals. Pink and gold were the only colors available, so we're going with these. For this, you will need some pretty chain to hang your crystals, 10mm jump rings and 7mm jump rings, and some jewelry pliers. So you're going to want to measure your chain, mine is about 6 inches, and add a jump ring to the end and attach it to the branch on the wreath. I'm going to be hanging my crystals on the inside of the center branch. Then add crystals to the chain. These crystals come with holes drilled into them already, so you will need to use a 10mm jump ring to put through it. Then with the 7mm jump ring, attach it around the 10mm jump ring. Then attach it to the chain. Repeat the process for as many crystals as you like. Bean! Bean? Please don't eat my wreath. No, baby, no. This stuff isn't for bunnies. It has glue and stuff on it. No, baby, no. Oh my goodness. This isn't lunchtime. Stop. How about some pellets? Some pellets. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's hurry before Bean tries to eat the wreath again. But it's officially done. Let me know what you think of it. And now let's move on to the witchy vials. So I purchased this little vial stand on Amazon, and then I stained it with some black wood stain that we had at home. So it's very easy to do. All you need is like a cloth and to shake up the wood stain really, really good so that it's very pigmented, and then just wipe it across your little wood piece, whatever it is that you're staining. So as I'm waiting for the stand to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start filling up the vials that it came with. So I went ahead and used some moss, dried flowers, dried leaves. You can put whatever your little heart desires in these cute little vials and make him look like a little witchy potion, kind of like you're a little witch in her apothecary creating some fancy little spells. Once your stand is dry from the stain, you can add your little vials to it. Then you are basically done. This DIY is so fast and easy, and you end up creating some really cute witchy aesthetic decor that can be used even after fall is over. I mean, at least I'm going to. Let me know what you would fill your vials with down in the comment section below. Now let's move on to glowing magic potions. So for the first part of this DIY, you'll need some little potion bottles from the 99-cent store, star stickers, black paint, and a paintbrush. Add the little star stickers on the bottle in any order you like. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once that's all done, all you need to do is paint over the bottles with the black paint. Then you're just going to allow the little bottles to dry, and once they do, you're just going to go ahead and peel off the stickers, and when you do, it's going to create a little stencil star on the bottles. For the second half of this DIY, all you need is clear glue and glow in the dark powder. Fill your bottles with the glue, then add the glow powder, mix it up a bit so it gets everywhere. Then what I did was I hot glued the top for extra safety, because you know, we don't want anything spilling out. Once you're done with that, you are basically done with your magic glow potions. Add them into your Halloween decor, and when night comes, watch them glow. I don't know about you, but I think these DIYs are giving me very much Whimsy Lux. If you know, you know. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section below. Mine is obviously the Moon Wreath. I think that is the star of the show in this video. I have a feeling a lot of you might say the same. But I hope this sparked your curiosity to be creative in your space with your Halloween fall decor this year and add some whimsical vibes. But other than that, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in a brand new video very soon. Bye!